about to go on a crazy trip. So
ATL, baby.
ATL. I'll keep you guys updated as soon as, you know, we start flying. We got some snacks. We got some chocolate covered pretzels. So good. We got some hummus with pretzels. These are also really good. We were eating and drinking. We had to run right across. I'm breathing hard.
John's all turned too. He's all woozy.
The plane was about to leave us, but we made it right on time.
I think as always ensures our pleasure to be on board as we head out to Atlanta.
Too busy drinking. I'm editing this video right now. We're on the airplane. Oh, we just got off the plane. We made it. We made it. Where are we at?
I don't know.
Now we have to go get the rental. What do you rent us? Lamborghini? An R8?
Lamborghini,
Rolls Royce?
What is the Fiat? What did we get?
I don't know. We'll see right now.
Car.
Hey, look at the whip.
Woo, goes ride the whip. We got no insurance.
No insurance on it. Let's go. It's not bad. It's not bad. The interior is pretty nice too. This is gonna be the next project for John's channel. Look at this road. It looks so sketchy. It looks like a scary movie. Oh, earlier I was telling John, we cannot pull over here. We definitely cannot. This is like the type of stuff you see in a scary movie where they pull over, blah, 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 and then there's someone behind them. Someone knocks on the window. We cannot pull over. This guy wants to pull over. We're not pulling over. Yo, we made it. Ooh. What time is it? It's like 2 in the morning. Yo, this place is so sick. But look at the truck that he got. This thing is massive. Yo, this is sick. It's a little hood damage. We could probably pull this out. Yeah, bumper not too bad. Yo, you gotta steal. That's icicles. It's actually kind of cold right now. Yo, this thing's mint. What do you think?
It's pretty sick.
Initial thoughts, come on.
It's good, man. It's good.
Yeah.
It's funny because it's
awesome. Look at how this town looks.
Slight right onto US 219 South, US 250 South.
Everything just looks so fake. I don't know. I'm just not used to it. This is that East Coast living, huh? It looks like a movie set. I don't know. And then there's snow everywhere. It's kind of hard to see, but there's snow everywhere too.
Continue on US 219 South for 2 miles.
That's cool to see. And this is in the middle of nowhere, so it's cool to see that towns like this exist, you know? We got a Hardee's.
red burrito.
Oh, it's not a green. Oh, wow, yeah. In California, I think it's green burrito.
Is it?
Yeah.
Everything upside down.
Check this building out. That thing's massive. I seen it yesterday. I thought it was pretty cool. Oh, why you gotta do me like that? These buildings, they look like out of a movie. Look at that. Oh my God. Doesn't that look like a movie scene? I don't know.
Yeah, terrible movie scene.
Oh, why you gotta call this town terrible? It's Elkins. Let's put some respect on it, alright?
Destination will be on the right.
Look at these houses, man. It looks so fake. I don't know. Well, boys, what did you just pick up?
I don't know.
Another project. Ooh, has no oil. 6-inch lip. Look, he can't even reach. Look at his feet. He can't even reach. No, it's pretty. The engine's pretty in there, so yeah. Not bad. Oh, we're doing the first drive. What do you think?
I'm scared.
Give it the beans.
No, just vegetables.
Yo, this is not bad. Heated steering wheel? That's crazy. I don't know. I just find these buildings crazy. I keep saying it over and over again, but it just looks like old school. I love it. Like, this is the stuff you see in movies, you know? Well, at least for me, since I'm not around areas like this, but yeah. Look at this building. It looks like an old jail or something. It looks super old. Look at that. Boosted got invited to Holley, and I'm with him, so I'm gonna join him. I'm forcing myself into this tour. So we're gonna tour Holley. We're gonna see what's inside and how they create the parts. So let's go. This is one
resistance. And this is the Holley Motorette. And then also they had the roundabout, which is basically a car / motorcycle. So yeah, it's definitely a pretty rare piece that we have here. Nice. Moving to warehouse.
This is where they make all the superchargers right here. Crazy. Hello. Look at all these machines.
6.4 liter.
Somebody's driving this?
Yeah. You drive it every day.
No.
Rain or shine.
Wow. That's clean.
Make sure all except the fruit. Look at how clean this thing is.
Yeah.
This has a custom digital dash. Our
Oh, wow.
12.3 dash.
Oh, it fits right in there. That's how she's gonna sit.
Wow.
So the motor on these are actually set forward 3/4 inch, and that does not upset the balance of the vehicle. We took this truck and weighed it against the stock Dakota RT just to see the weight balance, to see if it affects the truck or anything. Has no effect on the truck. We did some custom things here. We wanted to make it look like it's a stock plug-in. So the way the intake is routed is kind of shooting over here.
Yeah.
So we took the battery out, basically made our own little stand.
Yeah.
Relocate the battery over here.
Oh, wow.
So you can monitor everything off the digital dash.
That is too cool. That's where like the stock heater core comes out. I was curious how this all would fit with the supercharger and where it can come out and act.
All right, guys, so we just finished the tour at Holley. Thanks to Steve for showing us around. I'm probably not going to show much. If you want to see more of the inside of Holley, check out Boost's channel. I'll have him linked down below. He has like all the nitty-gritty stuff. So if you guys want to know more about the Holley tour, go to Boost's channel. It'll be linked down below. And also if you want to know more about the truck, it'll be on his channel as well. So now we're heading to the Corvette Museum because we are in Bowling Green and that is where the Corvette is made. So we kind of have to go and check it out.
Okay, here we are. National Corvette Museum.
Wow, that one's on. Oh,
Corvette,
no way. C8. All right, we are in.
So I guess this is one of the first.
Chassis number 3, right?
Yeah.
Wow,
Look at that thing. It's on the outside, the whole cutaway of it. Check it
the
out.
cutaway. Look at how they mold them. That's interesting. So they do a foam shape first and they put clay on top. That looks like futuristic, bubbly. I don't know. The first fully fiberglass bodied automobile in history. Wow. $100,000, equivalent to 1.4 million today. That is crazy. Check this out. It's like retro garage. That's pretty nice. Check this thing out. Looks sick. 2015 Corvette C7R race car. Let me see. 24 hours of Daytona, 2 cars on the same team. This thing is crazy. I think it needs a car wash. What do you think? Look how wide that is too, though. Is that's not stock, right?
No, this is one of the race cars.
Race car. Wow.
This thing is an absolute beast.
That's what you need.
Honestly,
Check out these cars. I don't know much about them. I'm pretty sure Booster does, but I just think they look crazy. The front end on that one and that one. Pretty crazy. That one looks pretty cool. I like how the yellow looks kind of, maybe not on the camera, but in person it's like a pale yellow. It's not super bright. Pretty nice. And this one too, it's like a pale yellow. Check this Corvette out. Nah. Look at the engine. Crazy. Rotary. But what's crazier than this, check this out. Mid-engine. This looks like a McLaren. Wow. I'm pretty sure you guys know about this. There's a sinkhole in here So that's pretty crazy, and we're about to go where that happened. And they have all these Corvettes that fell, and they still have them. So this is where the sinkhole happened. Over here, it's marked actually. So they have a mark of the cave, goes across, and then the sinkhole. So this is where it opened up. Wow. They didn't even clean it off. Look at this, oh my God. Wow. All right, guys, check this out. You can actually see into the sinkhole. Wow, that's amazing. I would love to go down there.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Sink?
Use your little rubber dinghy.
30 feet. Wow. There's the police in Tennessee right now. Damn, they need 3 cops. Oh, he gone.
That soccer
He's
mom.
going to jail.
That soccer mom was stealing groceries.
He's going to jail. Anyways, yeah, we made it to Tennessee. And next stop is probably going to drive through Nashville. I don't know if we're going to stop, but we're on our way to Dallas. We're on our way to Texas. So let's go. John, is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? I think it is a Supra.
Oh.
If you want to leave, you know.
Oh, is that a wide body Supra? Nice. And a cop car. A cop car. And a small truck. So we are in Dallas right now, and John was gonna take me to get barbecue. Let's go! But in this area, there's a bunch of street food vendors. I guess it's an event happening right now, so we'll see what we eat. I don't know. All right, check it out, check it out. Pretty big event going on, so. Wow, it's actually, wow, what did we stumble upon? So I got some cousin made lobster bisque, I believe it's called. So this stuff is really good. My first time trying lobster like this, so. Yep. All right, so we're here, Heart 8 Pit Barbecue. So we're gonna try this out. Looks legit, smells good too. So we'll see how good it is. What are you making right there?
8-ounce ribeye.
Okay. Look at all that.
John wants that one.
John's gonna be like,
Can we get that one? Here's the barbecue. I got 2 ribs, sausage, spicy sausage, brisket, pulled pork, jalapeno popper, sides, mac and cheese, beans, potato, salad. So let's eat. All right, so we just had the barbecue, and honestly, it's okay. I know Texas barbecue, so
He's spoiled.
I'm spoiled.
Spoiled.
Cornerstone Barbecue has me fed really well because this place, it's whatever. I give this place like a 6.5 out of 10, Cornerstone being 10 out of 10. So it is what it is. But now we are heading to his friend's house to record the Ram. And then afterwards, we are actually going to start heading back home. Probably end up in Arizona or something like that. I don't know. We'll see.
There's a block.
Finally fixing the bumper, huh?
Finally.
Should be good.
Brand new?
Yeah.
That's how we do it in Texas.
Like this? No, don't say that.
Hey guys, so I didn't make any videos after we left Dallas. So we left Dallas like at 5 or 6 p.m. And from Dallas we came all the way home. And that was about almost a 20-hour drive that we just did straight. We didn't stop. Well, we stopped for gas and stuff like that. But we were just switching off on the driving. You know, he would sleep, I would sleep, I slept more. But it is what it is. We made it home safe and sound. The truck made it home good. You know, the truck did have ball tires when we were driving it, but we were able to make it home through the rain, a little bit of snow and all that. So everything's good. If you want to know more about that truck, it'll be on Boost's channel, which is linked down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.